Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for the episode, this cool image right here, and basically what this is a pillow that's like the hotel style pillow. If you can see, the one that we got right here is from the brand called Bedsure. And this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open this up first to show you guys what the product looks like and show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you guys can see this is basically actually looks like inside. So the one that we got right here, it comes in a pack of 2 of these, and they're basically the same thing, but you see it's all nicely compressed. Let me actually take out one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so once we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the packaging looks like right here. So they definitely compressed the product really well inside right here. And you can see right here, they mentioned how it's a hotel pillow, which is 18 by 26 inches, and it's from the brand called Bedsure. So I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so once we slide it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the pillow looks like right here. So it might take a few minutes or a few hours for it to actually fully expand. But basically the material that they use inside right here is 100% polyester virgin fiber filling inside right here. So that way you guys can get a good support on your head and also for your neck as well. Because they mentioned for the filling that they use inside right here should give you guys like a firm support on here. Before this pillow that we have right here, they mentioned how it's designed for like back sleepers or side sleepers. And even right now when we're waiting for it to actually expand, you can definitely feel the material on here feels really soft and very fluffy. But in terms of how to actually clean the pot right here, you can definitely roll this into the machine to wash it and dry it. And they mentioned how you can use warm water to wash it. And supposedly for the filling that they use inside right here, if you guys want to actually squeeze it to move the actual filling around, you can definitely do that on here, which is pretty cool. But so far, you can see it's been only like a few minutes, and you can definitely see the product expand a lot already. So totally imagine how much bigger it can get from this point once it's fully expanded. But definitely when you guys look at the design of the pillow right here, it looks pretty nice. They definitely have a very nice pattern right here, where it's like red and blue right here. And basically see that throughout the pillow right here on the side. So obviously, like I mentioned, it might take a while for it to actually fully expand. But even right now, when you guys put your head on here, you can definitely feel that soft fluffy material that's on here to give you guys that support on here. But it definitely will feel a lot firmer once it's fully expanded. Right now it's still pretty soft because it's not fully expanded yet. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Now to unboxing and testing the product, not the end question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this pillow that we have right here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. If you guys are trying to look for a high quality hotel pillow that's very similar to this one right here, where it has the same design, the same firmness, and the same softness and fluffiness on here, where it allows you guys to actually move the filling around if you guys want to. So if you guys want everything that I mentioned and so much more, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.